Once you have created your account with NordVPN, you will be able to download the PC app and the mobile app. They have them all. It is very complete. You can find in the video description a link to a default offer for $3.29, and a VIP offer for $2.75 a month for a 3 years plan. I would go for the last one since it is very cheap. Log into your PC app. If you click on the location you will like to connect and change your IP, it will automatically connect within seconds. Something interesting is that you can type whatever you would like to use in the menu bar, and it will find the best server for you automatically. You can type in, watch BBC, and you will connect to a UK IP address. They have a super detailed dashboard. If you want to get a better view of what's happening, you can get more details on your server. You can find the load on the server, the speed on the server, how far that server is from your current location. It is really detailed and thorough. You can put a default server that you will connect once you log into your computer. I advise you to pick the one that NordVPN advising you to pick. This one will maximize your internet speed. You can even turn on and off your program, you can turn off notifications and many other things. Now let's go to the mobile. It doesn't make sense to surf protected on the computer if then you log into your mobile and send out your data from there. So go into your app store and download the app. The only purpose of this app is to log into your account and download all the servers that you connect to on your mobile. Setting up a VPN profile on an iPhone, you will need to put in your password and install a profile. Once is finished installing, all the servers are installed. Here is good because you don't have to do it all manually. NordVPN will do all for you. You can even delete the app once the servers are installed, but I advise you to keep the app.